Just spotted this bird struggling to eat this fish. He's just frozen there. He's got a fish halfway down his throat. I've never seen anything like it. Well, I have no idea why he's doing this. Come on. Come on, you know what it tastes like. Oh. Look at its neck. Hey. There's so many gnats around here. This bird's eyeballing me with a huge fish in its throat. Oh my gosh. Would you please swallow it so I can get on with this? Thank you. Wow. That was... Is it still in his neck? I think that's it. That was crazy. Well, see you later.